You know the great Justin Bieber.
Yes.
All right, good to see you.
Nice to see
Look
you.
at her, she's fluttering.
No, she's blushing.
Oh my God, you guys are stupid.
I don't know if anyone else in your camp keeps saying, like, you need to be eccentric, you need to be crazy, you need to be wild. I feel like I'm the only guy preaching that to you.
Yeah, no one's doing that.
So I've gotten you a gift, and that's what it is.
It's under there?
Before I give it to you, you gotta prove to me you're crazy enough to have it. Bieber need a helmet?
No, I'm good.
Hell no, he doesn't. Bieber running wild. I got a wild Bieber. I got a wild Bieber in the fantasy factory.
I'm gonna do the phone pay.
All right. Oh my God, wild Bieber. We've got a wild Bieber getting sketchy in here. You're making me so proud right now.
You don't want a guard for that beautiful little Bieber?
I'm saying, man, I gotta believe that face is insured.
Any of the kids in me, I am more mystery, mentally and physically. Yeah, I've seen the bright lights, ever so vividly. Party with the star type to mingle with the industry. Jeez, we don't need another hero. Only to real people, not these self-centered weirdos. Flamboyant wannabe, oh so flashy. You ask me, that really is a clash.
Yeah, Figured it out. I figured it out. I will give you what's under that if you jump this into the phone pit.
You've seen this happen before, right? People have jumped in.
I've done it, and if he did it, you can do it.
Exactly.
I'm seeing it.
God bless Justin Bieber, man. Bieber, you got what it takes. It's all about getting sketchy. You got a feeling in your stomach?
I got a feeling.
This is what it's about. Come on, Bieber, fight that fear! Justin Bieber has come here and proven himself through a series of dangerous activities.
No! No way! Says JB. No way!
Look at this, man.
No way!
Look at this.
Are you serious? I'm forever doing crazy stuff in my life.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's what I need to do.
I just wanted this just to inspire you. Take this wealth and this fame, always stay humble, keep your family close, and do ridiculously crazy things.
You changed my life.
God bless, man. Enjoy this thing. Give it to you guys. Justin Bieber, cruising, flying high in the street.